Tap and die. Let's do it. We just got done with a nice break for the day. So now we're hitting some black diamond single track. My foot almost came off the pedal. Ooh, tight berm. Janky. Oh, just nearly took my shoulder off that tree. It's hard to see things in the fall. Everything blends together. Yeah, it's hard to see where the trails go and where the trees are because everything's the same color this time of year. Ooh, very sketchy. I took it slow. What's this? What is this? What is this? What the fuck was that? I followed your line there.
I'm not sure if that was the correct line.
I don't think that was a line.
But it worked.
It worked.
Just go straight over me.
Oh man.
Girl, some breathing room.
Yeah.
Oh,
That was fun though.
this is such fun trail.
Oh, so good.
Fast, just enough technical to them. Oh man, lots of fun.
Yeah. I almost hit a tree.
Not surprised. Pretty tough in here.
Yep. And I tend to gravitate towards the trees. Knock on wood. This little tree. Probably. Yeah.
I tackled your nemesis at Blue Hills, that road.
Oh, the road?
Yeah, I got 7th overall speed out of 400 people going down
Jeez.
it.
I might have got top speed for the first half.
Yeah. But I was like, you have an overall Strava position. I was like, fuck, which one is that? And I was like, oh shit, friggin' pavement hill bar.
But then I go from 30 miles an hour to 0.
Yeah. That corner too, I was sketched out coming up to that
Hitting
corner.
a tree. Fucking.
It is, you have to go on the brakes a lot.
I have flashbacks of that fucking crash.
Absolutely.
And flown like a frisbee through the air into the tree.
Are you gonna finish this? I think she's got enough room now.
Yeah, she's got enough room. Let's do it. Woo! Almost beefed it. Went heavy. These trails are gnarly. That was cool. Whoa. All right. Whew. That's fun.